To make a payment with a Banco Sabadell debit card, start by ensuring you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transaction. Check your account balance by logging into your online banking or using the Banco Sabadell mobile app. Next, locate the merchant or retailer where you want to make the payment and let them know you will be using a debit card. Provide the merchant with your Banco Sabadell debit card and they will process the transaction. If using a point-of-sale terminal, insert your card into the terminal and enter your personal identification number when prompted. If using an online platform, enter your card details including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify the transaction amount and ensure it is correct before confirming the payment. If using a point-of-sale terminal, take your card and receipt from the merchant. If using an online platform, wait for a confirmation message or email. To avoid any issues, keep your debit card and personal identification number safe and secure. Never share your card details or personal identification number with anyone. Regularly review your account statements to detect any suspicious transactions and report them to Banco Sabadell immediately. When making international transactions, be aware that some merchants may charge a foreign transaction fee. Check with Banco Sabadell for any applicable fees before making international transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely make payments with your Banco Sabadell debit card. Remember to always keep your account and card information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions.